Good morning. We have a very fresh morning today. In the morning, like 5 a.m., we had about 2 degrees Celsius only. So we are here in subtropics in Queensland, Fraser Coast. So, and now I'm here at the Quails area, going for egg hunting. I gave them some food, and yeah, let's have a look what we've got today. Oh, I can see one. So quails lying where they just feel like lying an egg most of the time. So I usually check all the grasses and places where I hope I will find an egg. Oh, there is none, but I can see here some. So let's get them. Okay. Now hello. There is one too. The birds very relaxed. I think they'll really like it in here. Is there an egg inside? Nope. Hello. No egg here. You never know. Nothing there. I show you my favorite color at the moment. Look how pretty she is. Oh yeah, we have an egg. Nothing in here. No. Yeah, we have something in here. There it is. So I will just grab it. Okay. I think that's about it for now. And let me check. 3, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, nice. By the way, I am selling fertile quail eggs. If you want to have your own, just check my website. I will put the link in this video and also in the description. There is always a link to my website. Okay guys, I will move on. Take care and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. They always find something interesting in here.